2025 nail train with gel pen and stickers. Apply glue to your extensions. Place nail at a 45-degree angle. Push down so ever softly until the glue reaches the tip of your nail. Cured, and now we're going to blend our extensions to our cuticles. Okay, we have officially entered arts and craft hour, but on my nails. Dot goes down first. Now for the line. Fingers crossed my gel pen behaves better than my brush. Wow, looking good so far. I'm loving how this is coming together. We will continue to place connected dots to all the nails. This gel pen game, it is strong. I'm loving how precise this is. This gel pen truly just glides on top of the gel extensions. I will definitely be leaving a link in the description box below of where you can find these gel pens. Since this is the first time I'm using this gel pen, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds so I do not have any smudges. I will be applying this new color to all my fingernails. I'm applying it on top of the gel pen so I can lock in the ink. I'm using this minty green as my primary base color. I used this minty green on my last video on my twisted polka dots that you guys have to go see because I enjoyed making that video. But I enjoyed and loved the color so much that I wanted to use this color on this nail set. As I'm painting my nails, I like to think of my nails as tiny canvases. You can literally take any color or use a tool to create something totally unique. One thing I want to share is that this nail polish self-levels. I would love to hear from everyone. What is your favorite way to decorate your nails? Do you go for bold colors, simple designs, stickers, or even gel pens like me? Leave a comment. I love reading your ideas. After I finish painting my index finger, I'm going to cure my nails before I paint my thumb. I try to paint my thumb last because I am so super clumsy. I will be prone to hit my other fingers on the table trying to paint this thumb. Now I'm taking my liner brush to get those edges nice and neat. trying to get as close to the cuticle as possible. Not perfect, but still cute. Tiny mistakes make it real. I'm applying this matte polish on top of all my fingernails because we're going to use some chrome later on in this video. I'm applying this textured black paint on top of the lines that we drew with the gel pen. We're going to apply chrome on top of these lines, but this textured black paint, it gives you a little slight 3D dimension that I was looking for. Okay, this gel liner is seriously gliding. It is so easy to work with. You have to get this gel liner. It's Art Gel by Tino Vol. It allows you to do line work, details, draw, and painting. It comes in 5 grams, and I paid $9.99 for it. I will be applying this chrome to all of the textured lines that I added to my fingernails. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this metallic magic? After all the chrome is applied, I would gently wipe off the chrome dust so it really pops. With the design I have in mind, 2 of my fingernails look bland or will look bland, so I decided to go ahead and add a couple of lines to my ring finger as well as my index finger. This gel pen comes off super easy with just a little bit of alcohol. No stress if you make a mistake. Tiny changes, but big impact. Let's get these nails looking exactly how I want. "3D stickers." Oh, I love stickers. I found these stickers on Shein and I thought they would fit perfectly with the gel polish that I was using. Sometimes you don't get good quality stickers, but it also could be user error. So I was rubbing the stickers. I might have been rubbing too hard and I rubbed some of the gold foil off the stickers. I'm taking this metallic liner that I got from Amazon. It's supposed to be gold, but as you can tell, the gold is off from the stickers. So I'm just tracing the gold lines that's on the stickers, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. I did not like the way that gold liner looked. I'm applying some of this gold chrome on top of the liner that I added to the stickers. I'm using this Marquette rhinestone glue to apply my gold studs. Added too much glue. Now I'm just taking my angled brush with some alcohol and I'm wiping away the glue. Now I'm applying my favorite top coat. I am wiping around my fingers to ensure the top coat didn't get on my fingers, because baby, I did it once before and when I put my hand under the UV light, it burned. As I was looking at my nails, it felt like something was missing, so I'm gonna apply some of these caviar beads to the inside of the flowers. Nails are all done, and honestly, this might be my favorite set yet. I had so much fun doing little arts and crafts with you all, taking a gel pen to create lines and added some cute 3D stickers. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making them. If you did, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I truly would appreciate that. I'll see you in the next video.